USA Today. Apparently Sistani, the guy who was actually running this country, the big man, the Ayatollah, he's got a website and he's got a Q&A, and people, I guess Muslim men, I'm not kidding, they ask him questions. Ask Sistani.
The Dear Abby kind of thing?
It's a Dear Abby. He's like a 12th century Playboy advisor. Because... is shaking hands with a girl alive. It is not permissible. Okay. Then, I swear to God, excuse me, this is right from his website. Is anal intercourse permissible? And Sistani says, it is strongly undesirable, but bound to wife's agreement. So in other words...
Bound to wife's agreement.
Permission is bound to... In other words, if the wife says okay, you can do it in the naughty place, but don't shake her hand afterward.
Clap on that
one. Is playing chess allowed? It is absolutely unlawful. Anal sex okay, chess forbidden.